What's up, everybody? It's RC Steve, and we're back in the shop, and we have an all-new vehicle to check out today for you guys. We have the all-new HobbyPlus Speck-B 1/24 scale two-wheel drive brushless buggy. This is an RTR, guys, that has a few new epic upgrades and offerings that come over from the original Speck-B. So we're gonna check this out, open it up, get it outside, see how it does. Stay tuned because you guys want to check this out. Alright guys, here we go. We have the all-new HobbyPlus Speck-B. First off, you can see, definitely gives it a nice clean racer look with the new look on the box, guys. We can see that it has an all-new color and a nice magenta. There's going to be a few new features that's available on this model. The main thing is going to be the new electronics, guys. It's rocking an all-new Hobbywing Mini28 Brushless ESC inside there, as well as an 8,000 kV 1626 Hobbywing sensorless motor. So along with that, guys, there's a whole bunch of extra little goodies tucked inside here. Let's open this box up, check it out, pull it out, and see what we got. Alright guys, here we go. Got all the contents out of here. So let's take a look and see what we got. Of course, guys, you already know we're rocking the new Speck-B right here. This is going to have the Hobbywing brushless motor in there, as well as the Mini28 ESC. So what's cool about it, guys, is the Hobbywing 2-in-1 RX and ESC has a nice convenient setup where you can easily upgrade to a brushless system, and that's just what they've done. They went ahead and adapted that, so now the module for the Fly Sky is just acting as the receiver, and we have the Hobbywing ESC now controlling and powering up our sensorless brushless motor. Not only do we have new power system in there, but we have better control and traction thanks to these new V-block mini pin tires. These are going to give a lot more grip, guys. These are going to have an updated steering geometry as well up in the front, guys. So it's going to have an actually a little bit higher of a ball stud right there. So that way you guys can actually get more throw in the servo, which is going to increase the overall steering angle. Again, guys, our tried and true oil-filled big bore shocks. These are going to work out nicely, whether you're going to take them out on the track or bash them outside on the dirt or the outdoor tracks. And as well, as you guys know, HobbyPlus still has some of those features, all tried and true from the original Speck-B, talking about adjustable linkage front and rear to get your roll center dialed in. And let's see, the body right here, the all new magenta color, guys. This is going to be the only color that they're going to be having for this brushless version. So when you guys see the magenta body out there, you guys will know that this has the Hobbywing brushless system in there. Of course, there's also going to be a couple of these spare parts, your charger, spare gears with different ratios, guys. So right out of the box, we're hitting about 18 miles per hour now versus around 13 miles per hour for the brushed motor. So gonna get a lot of speed out of the box, and then these cool little mini Hobbywing Fly Sky style radios definitely handle the job, nice and compact. Alright guys, now that we've seen a little bit of the unboxing, a little bit of the new features, let's go ahead and charge up some of these batteries, get this thing outside, inside, on the carpet, out on the tracks, out on some ramps, and let's see what this thing can do. We're on the way, guys. We just got the Speck-B in our hands, the brushless version. Now we need to launch this bad boy. So we're heading to PCH Hobbies and go pick up some ramps. Here at PCH Hobbies, the world famous PCH Hobbies. see what they got for the Speck-B. I know they got some ramps in here, so we're definitely gonna get the ramps. Got the ramps, guys. Gonna launch these bad boys. All right, here we are. Open. We could probably go to like that little corner ramp area right there. All right, guys, we brought it out here to the park. See what we could do. We got some ramps, about to crack them open, but wanted to get some traction control, see how it does on like the sidewalk and stuff. So far we could see definitely handles pretty nicely. Got some donut action. The little V-block pattern should do pretty good on these ramps. I'm skating. Oh, little grind. Oh, I'm gonna try and get that grind. Man, so what a blast this Speck-B was. We just shredded it all up throughout the park, all throughout the office, guys. And you could definitely tell there's a whole lot of differences coming from the original Speck-B. First of all, that powerhouse combo with the motor and ESC. Brushless in this Speck-B, guys. It's really gonna unlock the next level of performance in that car. So I really like that, especially at 8,000 kV, guys. I think that's the perfect power level to where we could see some real good top speed and a lot of good control on the track, whether it comes to the punching and turning. Also, guys, those new little V-block mini pin tires really hooked up. They did great, even on the slick asphalt, guys. But where they're really gonna shine, you're gonna notice in the dirt and in the carpet area, guys. That's where you're gonna see insane traction control. So definitely big shout out to HobbyPlus for knocking those two features out that really stood out, really up the level of the enjoyment experience on the Speck-B. And overall, guys, this is definitely one of the little mini buggies to check out if you want something small and portable and just can kind of have fun wherever you're at. Like I said, whether on the tracks, the dirt, you guys name it, let me know. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely let me know. What'd you like most about the Speck-B? What's your most favorite upgraded series? Is it the new tires? Is it the new powerhouse system? And check this out, guys. The price point is an unbelievable $129.99. So out of the box, you're gonna get a full brushless system packed in with the racing tuning spec. So with the new tires, the powerhouse system, you're gonna get a really good bang for your buck. Right out of the box, you guys see it here. Shreds, it hooks up, bashes, good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know if you guys are planning to pick up one of these. I'll leave a link down in the bio. You guys can check it out, and feel free to check out all the other stuff we have in the description below. Till then, peace.